What's up guys? Welcome to another video of Work in Progress. Before we get started here, I just wanted to say thank you for all the support. Pretty crazy. It's only been a week and we're closing in on 500 subscribers pretty soon here. So I remember back in the day when David started off locals, it took us a couple weeks before we even got excited about 500. So thank you. It's all thanks to you guys. Really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me. Today is Friday, so the usual Barlow meets that we have here every week. Gonna be meeting up with my buddy Devin here pretty quick. We're gonna go car wash, hit up the Barlow meet. I'll see if I can. Nothing really planned yet for the video so far. Kind of like the last video, the day in the life. By the way, let me know how you guys like that style of video. I've been thinking of kind of just doing the daily vlog style with quick edits like that. Maybe more talking like this video. I know I wasn't really in the last video that much, so we're working on it. I'm just trying to find my way, see what works for me, see what doesn't. As far as locals goes, we got new merch coming into the store September 12th, so be ready for that. We got these lanyards coming in, black and white. I'll see if I can flip that video for you guys when I go through editing. We got gas cap stickers, come on, focus, and we got some glass. So these guys coming soon. And hopefully some more work in progress stickers as well. They sold out way faster than I expected, so I'm gonna try to get on that for you guys. That's all I got right now. See you guys at Barlow. Yo. Yo, what's up, man? We're here at the car wash now. Different group than you guys are used to. These guys are Hero Squad. Yo, say what's up. That's Aaron, Young Tokyo. Takes the most fire pictures in Calgary. Yeah, let's do a walk around of these cars. You got Banana Man over here. What's up? What's up? There's the R34 I was telling you about. And Mr. Cody Bromley. How's it going, man? Yeah. Got a nice America squad going right now. Damn it. Damn, check out this truck. Truck showing off at the Barlow meet. Yo, what's going on?
What's up, bro?
Say what's up.
What's up, Charles? What's up, Charles? There they are.
Yeah, the one thing if you come to Barlow too late is it's a bitch to find parking. Hopefully we can get lucky here. Finally found parking, but look how orange my car looks in this light. Looks like I wrapped it orange. So Barlow is like one place in Calgary where there's no fucks given kind of thing. Cops never show up here. They got burnout boxes just in this open parking lot. They got a fucking vape truck. Look at this. What's going on, guys?
I'm already debating the parking.
It's Kyle Parker, everybody. Sedan R32. Tell us about this thing.
It's 25 swap, Series 2. Front-facing intake, intercooler. It's got a big HE 351. Full exhaust, drag radials.
It goes fast.
It works. Yeah.
Damn, check out this RX-7. It's definitely one of the cleanest ones in the city. Damn, FD goals. Look at this crowd he attracted just now.